Hello dear students, welcome to IIMS GATE Academy. I hope you all are good. In this session, we will have a discussion why an engineering student must write the GATE exam. Student, if you are right now pursuing engineering course or if you already started your engineering right now, if you are in second year or third year, for sure you will become engineer after 1 year or 2 years. But whether you will get the perfect job which you deserve after your engineering, whether you will get that job or not get, that is you don't know, because what I have noted from the last 10 to 12 years, after completion of their B.Tech or after completion of engineering course, many students are not able to get that much technical skill so that they will directly get a good job like more than 12 lakh package, or we can say that the job which is related to their branch. Suppose that if the students are from EC, maybe they will get a IT job or they will get a telecaller job like that. So dear student, or today's session is more focused on why an engineer must write the GATE exam, what are the benefits to write the GATE exam. Even if you just qualify the GATE exam, still you are definitely have a, the recruiter will give you preference over the student, those who don't have the GATE scorecard. So we'll talk about the benefits of the GATE exam. The first I want to start, if you are doing engineering, do you know why you are doing engineering? Students, sir, your audio is not very low. Okay, Naresh, let me check. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can just refresh Sai Naresh from your side. I think audio is clear here. Technical team just replied me. Okay, so dear student, we'll also come to this part. First, what is engineering? I am coming to this what is GATE, but first of all, student, when the students start engineering now after 12th, generally they don't know. Yes, it is clear, sir. Yes, that time generally students don't know ki what is engineering and what is my job role after completion of engineering, which type of job I will do after completion of B.Tech. They don't know in the starting. And unfortunately, even after completion of their engineering, many students don't know ki what is my job role. I am a civil engineer, I am a EC engineer, I am electrical engineering, which type of role I will do. Because student, in the engineering, many students, they will not get that much skill or that much knowledge that they are supposed to get. Because in the engineering, what actually happens, students just study before the 10 or 15 days of the semester exam. Just before the 15 days of semester exam, they start the study and they can easily manage their CGPA, SGPA in the engineering. If you are doing engineering, you also relate with that, whatever I am saying as of now. So student, I have taken many interviews, and from the last 15 years of journey, I got the opportunity to interact with so many students. So what they are responded, they told me ki sir, even in the 4-year engineering degree, we have not got that much knowledge, that much technical knowledge or skill that we got after attending the GATE classes or after preparing the GATE exam, after preparing for the GATE exam in 1 year. So student, when you start preparing for the GATE exam now, you will learn the subject in a different manner, because if you will learn the same subject in the semester exam and if you will learn the same subject for the GATE exam, you will get the real life application of the subject. You can relate the subject with the present today's requirement, and you will actually get the significance of subject, why this subject is required for the society. So dear students, so minimum GATE score to get the PSUs like Naveen, I will come to each and every topic. Okay beta, I will come to each and every topic. What is the today's session agenda? Every engineer, if you started your engineering guys, you must write the GATE exam, because we have amazing benefits of the GATE exam. And even in the worst case, you can feel your engineering when you prepare for the GATE exam. because your CGPA and SGPA are not sufficient to give you direct a core job or direct a PSU job, but after cracking the GATE exam, you will become the part of, you can become the part of PSU job. You can just pursue your job in your field also. So there are so many advantage we have. We have the PSU advantage. You can continue your masters from the IITs, NITs, and after that, after your masters, definitely you will have a high chance for the your salary package wise. Sir, my rank is 3423 mechanical category. Ha. So every pointers we will try to cover, beta. Don't worry. Each and every pointers we will cover very soon. Okay. Yes. So I will invite here all my team members one by one. We will also have a discussion, my dear student. But first, again, I want to repeat here. Even if you will just qualify the GATE exam, suppose that if we have a two student, if first student has only have a 8.5 CGPA, and if other student is having the similar 8 or 8.5 CGPA, but having the GATE scorecard and having a valid GATE scorecard, having a 40 marks, 50 marks, then definitely even in the worst case in the private companies, when they will go for the interviews, a recruiter will give the preference to those who have the GATE scorecard. Because in the private university, sometime if you are in the north or if you are in the south, in some engineering colleges, it is easy to maintain the 7 or 8 CGPA throughout the engineering. But in some colleges or some universities, even it is very tough to maintain 6.5 CGPA. So my dear student, as far as your technical skill is concerned, your CGPA is not a perfect, we can say that, parameter to evaluate your skills. But if you crack the national level, India level exam, that is GATE exam, it is not a state level exam. So dear student, once you crack the GATE exam, it is a proof of your technical skill. And I am telling you, GATE scorecard will be the matter of proud for an engineer. Because if you show that you have the 50 marks in the GATE, no one can doubt on your technical knowledge. Because if you crack the GATE, it means you have the good technical skills. Yes. So I am coming to the part, guys, ki what are the GATE opportunities and all also. Through the GATE, you can be the part of PSUs, that you know that public sector undertakings. We have Maharatna, Navratna, Miniratnas. We have the private companies. Even after B.Tech, if you will go for the interviews, then of course in many IITs and NITs we are having the companies. They will generally come for the placement and will have the package like we can say that 10 to 12 minimum package you will get. Similarly, higher education, M.Tech, MS, definitely we have. So why PSUs and government job, that also will come. But first I would like to invite our first expert mentor here. So Gaurav is asking something. Sir, please share strategy for remaining time for double students to get PSU. Yes, beta, Gaurav will also take your query in the last, okay. But first we'll discuss about the agenda of the today's session, that is already we have mentioned in the thumbnail. Why an engineering student must write the GATE exam? What are the important factors that can motivate you to write the GATE exam? Because student, if you are not writing, if you are not preparing for the GATE exam in your engineering, maybe after 1 year or after 2 years, some student directly get a job of 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh package. And after doing 1 or 2 year job, they again have a drop and again prepare for the GATE. The best advantage after GATE 21, IIT Bombay allow a third year student to write the GATE exam. So every student, those who are right now in the engineering, if you are in second year, third year, this is the best time to start prepare for the GATE exam. You must write the GATE exam even in the engineering, and your target should be this, ki sir, before completion of my engineering, I will crack the GATE with good rank. If you will maintain these guys, definitely you will be going ahead with many of your engineering or with your classmates. Okay, yes, please come. So we have Atul sir with us.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So my question to you, if I talk about specifically for the mechanical engineer,
Yes,
okay. So you know that after the completion of B.Tech in private universities or even from the good colleges also, a mechanical engineer like whatever job role the companies will provide them, what are the general packages after only B.Tech and
Okay.
and after GATE? Okay. So just tell us why an mechanical engineer must write the GATE exam.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. First of all, we need to understand that why we need to write the GATE examination. So our agenda of this session is why we need to write GATE examination. See, sir, when we are entering into the college, we will be just studying the topic. But when I prepare for GATE examination, my whole approach and perspective towards the subject will change. Because when you prepare for your semester examination, you're not worried about the application part. You're not worried about the most important concept in detail. Analysis will not do. But while doing the preparation of the GATE examination, you will be focused on the analysis. Just knowing the concept is not enough. We need to know the complete analysis part. If this value changes, what will happen to my system? So important thing is, after doing analysis, main thing is whether you can apply that concept in a different situations or not. So those learning will come if I prepare for the GATE examination. So there will be so many advantages of giving GATE examination, like PSU job is there, that we'll discuss later, and M.Tech admissions are also there. But if I'm preparing it as an engineer, I have a good command over the subject if I'm preparing for GATE, because the paper is in such a way they have said ki we have to do the complete in-depth analysis. Sir, someone is asking, third GATE score can't we use for PSUs? See, it depend PSU to PSU. Some PSU will be taking 2 year, last 2 years. Some PSU will take 3 year also. You have to check the notification, Sudhir.
Generally, GATE scorecard is valid for
For
3 years.
3 years, yes,
So,
sir.
majorly we can say that PSUs are inviting the students on the basis of the 3 year GATE.
Last 3 years. So, sir, some they will mention ki last 2 years. Someone will mention last 3 years. So it depends PSU to PSU. Uh, one more question is there. I've secured AIR 669 in GATE 2024. Want to improve my rank. How to proceed? See, here you need to work on the numerical part. See, you have already very good rank. Already you know the concepts. Most important thing is you need to improve your numerical ability part. Application part you need to improve. Okay, I know ki this much rank you have scored, so already you have the basics. Now you need to go for the advanced level questions. Right, so easily you can get a very good rank because already basics are very good. Now coming to the point ki why we need to write, all engineers to write the GATE examination. So while preparing GATE, there are so many things you will understand, and those things a normal engineer will never see or never they will read in your engineering. Because sir, when I'm preparing for GATE, so many things I will come to know. Like you already said, ki when we are doing preparation in GATE, so many new different things we are able to understand. Otherwise, if I do only my prepare for semester exam, I will never get those informations.
Because that time my motto is only to maintain the
My
semester
CGPA.
CGPA and just want to clear the and to crack the semester exam or to pass the semester exam, it is very easy actually.
Yes.
So again, I am coming to my point. As of now, in the PSUs, every year PSUs are recruiting through the GATE in the mechanical. Of course, it will. They want to earn a good
package.
good package. So even after the completion of B.Tech, maybe they have a campus placement. Maybe they get the 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh package even. But if they just invest 2 more year to enhance their technical skill, then of course they deserve a good job. They will allow us to get a we can say that good standard of life, or we can say that the better work life balance.
Yes, sir.
Of course, once you will have the job after the M.Tech, you will have the in the PSUs. We can see we have a good
Work-life balance is
work life balance, good stable life,
stability is there.
society. We can say the status
You
also will be
feel
there.
proud while working in organizations like ISRO and BRC. Sir, one more doubt it is coming ki I'm getting PSC interviews of PSUs like NPCL and THD CTC, but sir, due to my rank, I'm confused whether to attend interview or not. So definitely you should attend the interviews. Why there is a question in that? When you got a call from any PSU, you should attend for all the interviews, right? And in the interviews, they will be focusing on the basic part only. Now, sir, as you already asked, ki in mechanical engineering, if I talk about, so we have total 4 branches. If I categorize all the subjects, so there is a one branch called thermal, another branch is design, another branch is production, and the fourth one is industrial. every branch. So let's suppose if I'm doing masters in design field, so I will be the subject expert of the design. Compared to B.Tech candidate, I will have a more experience. I will have more expertise. Okay, I will have a good command. So definitely, from job perspective, a M.Tech guy will have a more preference. Companies will give more preference to M.Tech guy. So if a regular B.Tech guy, if I compare with the M.Tech guy with the design field, so there is a huge difference. So that's what we are always saying. If you are preparing for GATE, you have a number of opportunities in front of you. And even sir, if I just prepare for GATE also as an engineer, I will be like a good knowledge. Otherwise, I will be preparing for semester exam and not that much knowledge I will be having.
Exactly. So, dear student, I am just want to tell you, to get the job, it should not be your only aim, because what I have noted now, even after completing the B.Tech, the student is having mechanical engineer, and after that they are preparing for the bank exam.
Yes,
Some students are preparing for PO exam, clerk exam. So your vision should be clear, guys,
why
because
you have taken the admission in engineering?
student, you were good in that, you had the good knowledge of science and maths, that is why you have you was eligible to attend that engineering course. So because student, every student cannot do engineering. If you are not good in maths and science, you are not allowed to become an engineer. So if you are doing an engineering, if you are right now doing engineering, if you want to become a successful engineer, this is the difference between a normal engineer and a successful engineer: a good technical knowledge. Student, every engineering, that of course a professional degree. If student, they which will pursue this MBBS course, they know that what will be their job role. They will become the doctor, and they will have some expert. Similarly, if you are a mechanical expert, if you are a civil expert, if you are a EC engineer, you must at least try to find the job in your core area, at least.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Because many students, even they are a mechanical engineer, they are working software job.
Sir, actually, one more point I want to add. Many people will find that GATE preparation is very tough. That's why they are not preparing it. So that is the biggest reason that most of the students never apply for GATE examination. They think it is very difficult. No, actually, it is not very difficult. Whenever you are in the engineering, let's suppose second year, and you are studying thermodynamics, at that time you should prepare your thermodynamics in such a way that it will get prepared for GATE examination also. So you should not find that GATE is a very difficult examination. It is not at all difficult. Yes, it will be difficult if you have not prepared the subject in a proper manner. So don't find that it is a very difficult. If you have the basic concepts, and if you are able to learn, if you have that enthusiasm, yes, I want to learn something new in that particular field, definitely you can easily learn and score a very good rank in the GATE examination.
And one more, the best advantage, if you start preparing early the GATE exam, even in the second year, na, eventually the subjects which you study for the GATE exam, it will help you to crack your semester exam as well, even in the third year, fourth year.
So second year, mostly GATE syllabus is from the second and third year only.
So every student even must start prepare for the GATE exam even in the second year. So if you prepare for the GATE parallelly with your engineering, it will beneficial equally for the semester exam as well as your GATE exam.
And it will not be, sir, burden. Most people will find that it is a burden if I prepare college examination also and GATE preparation. No, it is not a burden. It is an advantage actually. If you are preparing a subject for your semester examination, at the same time you can prepare for GATE examination also. Already you are preparing in the college also. Parallelly you can prepare for the GATE examination. Only one point is there. You need to give more importance to the application part. More importance, application and analysis part you need to give. Otherwise, in semester examination, I will just read the concept, I will remember. So like we are mugging up all the concepts only.
And again, I am telling you guys, GATE is a exam in India which is dedicated for engineers only. It means if you have the commerce, you cannot write the GATE. If you have the arts, you cannot write the GATE. But at the PO exam, if you have the arts, if you have the
Anyone
commerce,
can write.
you can write. So student, just like that MBBS exam, to write the MBBS exam, you should have science bio. Similarly, if you have the science maths, you must, if you are doing the engineering, there is no doubt you must have a one attempt, and you should try to at least give your level best to secure a good rank. I am telling you, it is a life-changing exam, my dear student. Your semester exam will not change your life, but eventually your life will change once you will have the under 100 rank.
And one more point, sir. it is GATE examination give you the equal opportunity to all the engineers, no matter from where you have done engineering.
Exactly. Very
Every student have the equal opportunity.
Yes,
No
yes,
matter you
very
have
good
done
point.
from IIT or from normal tier 1 or tier 3 college, everyone has the equal opportunity. And even tier 3 college student also have a equal opportunity to get into IIT after BTech also.
Very nice.
And they can go for PSU job. It is not restricted for the IIT or top tier 1 colleges only.
Very nice. So very good point, guys. At the GATE scorecard, they never mention about your engineering college, about your academics. So if even if you have not good academics in 11th, 12th, if you don't have a good percentage in 11th, 12th, or in your engineering also, if you have the 5 CGPA, 6 CGPA, it doesn't matter at all. A average student can also make a good rank if you are clear with your thoughts, and if it is your dream to write the GATE exam, if you will become consistent, and if you have the single minded approach, definitely a average student can also make a good rank for sure.
And sir, everyone will see your GATE score only. No one will see the how much percentage you got. Let's suppose any student got 90% also in BTech, but if he is not having a good GATE score, he will not get any opportunity. But a student with 60% only, but having a very good GATE score, he will get a PSU job. So every important point is the good GATE score, and for that you need to write the GATE examination.
Even many student has a wish that they could get the IITs after 12th. So that time, if you are not able to get, now you have the opportunity, second opportunity. After your BTech, you can become the part of IITs. You can join the IITs for the master courses just to crack the GATE exam. And I am telling you, as compared to IIT JEE, this is not as much tough.
It is easy actually.
Because that we have the mains advance and different we can say the cutoffs also
And
there.
also the competition is less actually.
Competition is also less, and now you are more mature as compared to 11 12. So there is a but again I am telling you guys, you should have a strong motivation. The agenda of today's session is what? To give you a proper awareness what are the actual benefits of the GATE, because I have seen many students, because they don't have the proper guidance, so they are wasting their time, they are wasting their years. After the completion of BTech, they are just dropping 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. So after watching this session, at least you should write your goal on a white paper, that what are the area that inspire you to write the GATE exam. Because if you have the strong reason to write the GATE exam, then definitely you can find some you can definitely go for the preparation, and you will have the ways. If you actually want to do it, then definitely there will be a way.
Sir, if you are ready to give 3 to 4 hours of preparation on a daily basis, no, you can easily crack the GATE score with a very good score rank.
Yes. So now I would
we'll
like
ask
to invite our next mentor, mechanical mentor. So Saurabh sir with us. So, so Saurabh sir, my next question to you, as we had many already questions we have discussed with Atul. So now my next question to you, like after just suppose that one student completed the BTech and they just start searching the job, okay, and one student who just already prepared for the GATE, and on the same year he has a good rank in the GATE exam. So even in the private industries, the recruiter give the preference to whom, as well as what are the opportunities those have only BTech degree, and what are the opportunities for those who have the good GATE score.
So thank you, sir, for having me here. And as sir asked that, what is the difference between a normal student who is searching for job and a student who have already, have a GATE scorecard with him? So, my dear friends, what does the GATE scorecard? In fact, a good GATE scorecard gives you, it gives you a certification that you have the technical knowledge. You have what is required, in order to be called a mechanical engineer. Imagine this is the time where you are spending 4 years, and even after 20 years it's like a stamp. It's like a stamp, my dear friends. After 20 years also, this will go with you wherever you go. In fact, they will know you by your degree. He will not ask you whether you have done post grad or from London or UK. He will first ask you that what he has done, and they will tell that he is a mechanical engineer. Now, being a mechanical engineer, you have to know the basics. They will expect you that whether you know the first or second laws of thermodynamics or not, whether you know the functions of gears or not, etc. and etc. So If you have the degree with you, it gives a stamp. It's a stamp from the government of India that yes, you are capable enough to tackle whatever role responsibilities you have in your job profile, right? And my dear friends, let me tell you one more thing. Sir, there is a thing that students will say that, sir, I am going to prepare only for the semester examinations. I'm not interested in GATE. Some students will tell that, sir, I'm only interested in the private sector jobs, but I'm in the core jobs. Some students will tell that, sir, I want to go in a government sector and perhaps less difficult examination. So I'll prepare for SSC JE. They will one after some time their goal changes and then they start preparing for different examinations, and they should know that if they prepare for only one examination, all other things are automatically taken care of. If you prepare for GATE, my dear friends, your semester exam also gets covered. Your private job interview companies are also getting covered. If you want to prepare for SSC JE, my dear friends, let me tell you that if you prepare for GATE once, your SSC JE preparation is also there. Just you have to add your general knowledge, awareness you have to study. And let me tell you, even engineering services examination are also open for you in case you are aiming for the top government post. That is also. So it's a one examination, and it's they say rightly that it's a gateway of opportunities. You prepare for once, and the gateway opens. And sir, I would like to tell you one thing. Students will tell that, sir, IT industry is blooming right now. All the opportunities are there in the IT field. Sir, I'll tell you one government of RBI released a report last week that IT services have fallen down to only 0.8%. That means, in short words, easier words, IT industries have fallen, the growth have fallen. And where is the current government focused on? He is focused on the current government focus is on the manufacturing sector, construction sector of the company. That means the government is focused, many jobs, many PSUs, many core industries are going to come up. You have to crack with a interview knowledge, and for that you have to study. If you are studying, prepare for one GATE, you are giving examination, and also you are cracking those interviews.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Thank you, thank you. So, as rightly said by Saurav, that once you prepare for the GATE exam, my dear student, it is not eventually helpful for the GATE exam, but it will definitely helpful for the SSC JE examination, semester examination, even some state level examinations like Transco, Genco.
Correct.
So multiple opportunities you have. Suppose that you have the good knowledge of SOM subject, TOM subject, TD, ATD, or mechanical engineering subjects. So if you once you prepare the classroom notes for one subject, SOM subject or FM subject, that subject equally important for the engineering services also, and it will once you will have that particular skill na, you can use that particular skill to crack the other examinations also. But I am telling you again, guys, at least you should invest 1 year dedicatedly for the GATE exam. I am telling you, whatever you want to achieve in the future, it will automatically come, because today we don't know what will happen in the future, but at least you should aim. Your object should be clear कि yes, I want to achieve this. If you will prepare for the GATE, maybe you will get 600 rank or 1000 rank. According to your rank, whatever the best opportunities you have, that also we will provide to you, because many NITs you will get, IITs you will get. What are the cutoffs you will get? So a beautiful series we are going to start from tomorrow, 15 June. That is A to Z GATE series, where you will get all the information related to GATE exam. What are the PSUs? What are the general cutoff for the IITs and NITs for different specialization? So every pointers we are going to cover in that particular series. So don't miss it. Still, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, you can subscribe it so that you will get instant notification whenever any new video will upload. So IIMS GATE Academy is committed to provide you good technical knowledge, and as well as we are also providing you the best authenticate information in terms of PSU job notifications.
Correct.
As you rightly said that PSUs are more focusing on the manufacturing side, and recently we have even see that the share price of stock market also
Correct, sir.
PSUs very high. So we are expecting that PSUs will recruit more and more recruit for more and more engineers in the upcoming days. So every engineer must write the GATE exam. Now it's time to invite our computer science experts. Thank you, Saurav sir. Yes. So now we have computer science mentors also with us. So yes, welcome Ravi sir. Yes. So my question to you, first I will discuss with Ravi sir, then after I will invite to Rohit sir also. So my question to you, like many students, those who are right now doing engineering in computer science, generally computer science students has a mindset ki I want to go in the software industry just after the BTech. Why I should write the GATE exam? Okay. And recently, GATE authority just added one more branch, that is data science, which is right now very popular, AI. So what is your suggestion? Because some student they may interest in the directly data science courses and they can also get the job. है ना? So which factor according to you motivate an engineering student, those right now doing engineering, they must write the GATE exam in CS or even data science? What are the difference in these two? So please tell.
So thank you, sir. So first of all, just I would like to add here, whether you going master or not required, you can go for directly your job also. But first you should prepare for GATE examination. The why GATE exam you should write, why I should write GATE computer science or day paper. The first thing, sir, the GATE exam is going to be the fundamental strongs. Like your subjects are going to be again you going back to study same subjects and understanding the fundamentals properly, so that you're rebuilding your engineering properly. Like preparation of the GATE is rebuilding your engineering and you're giving a value to your engineering. First thing. Suppose if you want to go IT side only, how this preparation is going to help you? The first and foremost thing, you will be the better person in the interviews, placements. The technical round will be there. Example, you take the data science or like computer science, the data structure algorithm. The data structure algorithm subjects in a GATE examination, you are going to build your logical skills properly. Writing any kind of language you take, but first you build your logical skills. And if you take a DBMS subject is there, computer networks is there. Actually, you understand the applications of this DBMS, design part of the DBMS, and the protocols application. The various things you are going to learn in the preparation of the GATE. This will help you to perform well in the interview. The first thing. So now, look, like it is not compulsory going for M.Tech or MS program. That's enough. Just prepare for GATE.
For the knowledge gain.
Knowledge gaining, skilling. So first you gain the knowledge, then you decide. Once you get a job, okay, once you get a job, you can do job for 1 year. So once you get a very good score in the GATE examination, it is valid for 3 years. So whenever you want to upskill your things, like if you want to have some master degree, so you take the decision after 1 year also. But prepare for the GATE examination during your engineering, either you in third year or second year or final year, compulsory should prepare it. This is one thing, sir.
So very good point, guys. I just want to add here. Once you prepare for the GATE exam, whatever knowledge that you will get, COA subject, DBMS subject, eventually it will be very much important to crack the interviews. Even in the private companies, the campus placement also it is equally important for the computer science student. And of course, the campus placement after BTech and the campus placements after M.Tech from IIT, NITs, you will definitely deserve a good package after that. So if your family allows and if you have that much patience, you should definitely go for the master courses also. But as you rightly said that once you have the knowledge, once you have the skill, it eventually helpful for everywhere, wherever you will go. If you have the knowledge, you will definitely get the respect.
Sir, one more point I would like to add. Suppose somebody interested, like 10% students are interested in go for research. It's the right time to build your fundamentals strong. So like research required, you should be strong in the fundamentals. So you take the direction for research side. Or sir, like tomorrow I want to become the professor in the engineering college. Like it's the right time to build your fundamentals. Be prepare well, clear the GATE, you pursue the master degree from good college, then you can go for teaching. Either research, teaching, or IT companies, anything, these are fundamental things which you are going to do during this preparation. So,
Thank you. So now I would like to invite Rohit sir. So Rohit, I just want to ask one question to you. Recently, we have one branch that is data science and machine learning, okay, artificial intelligence. So now students are confused ki whether I should prepare for the computer science exam or I should write the paper in DSAI. So do you really think that a student, those who are preparing for the GATE, for computer science student, they must write the DS paper also, or what is your suggestion to them?
So hello, actually, sir, all the whatever the syllabus we have in data science and the CS, both are 60% are absolutely common. So if somebody is like currently preparing for CS and if he wants to attempting data science, then definitely he can try. And also recently, like nowadays we have less competition in data science, so there is a more chance that if a student is trying or attempting get in data science, then he can secure a like good rank.
Even
And
as compared to CS, correct?
absolutely, yeah. And at lower rank, definitely he can get into some ISc or IIT to do the M.Tech. And whatever the subjects we have in data science and artificial intelligence, it required like very depth analysis part, learning part. So it can only achieve through like doing M.Tech from IIT or ISc only.
Okay, very nice,
So-
very good point. Even what I have noted, data science exam just happened in 24, and I think 75 marks weightage is common for the computer science student. Even more.
Sir, like 82 marks.
82 marks weightage of question that has been asked in data science, which is just similar to the computer science student. So even the student, those who prepared for computer science in the last year, and if they have written the GATE exam in data science, they got the good rank even in the data science branch, because we have the less competition. Because recently this branch has been added by the IITs authority. So dear student, for the computer science student, we have the extra advantage. If you are preparing for the DBMS subject for the computer science stream GATE, eventually it will be helpful. Even maths and aptitudes common. So you must have, because GATE allows you to write the 2 paper at a one time. So you must in the month of August, I think notification will come. So you should be aware about it and must write 2 paper. You should write the CS paper also and DS paper also. You have the extra advantage. And
And one more
yes,
thing,
yes,
sir.
yes.
See, sir, what I observed is in CS we don't have much options in like government. Okay, we like other
Recently,
yeah.
earlier we have
Like
this thought in the PSUs less
other
recruitment.
branch have their options in
more
AISA,
options. Yes, yes.
but we have very less options. Like we have options in BHEL, NTPC, ONGC, and all of this
Compared to
like
course,
PSU recruitment through GATE only. Okay, and some of the other like DRDO and BARC, they also like conduct their own examination, but their syllabus is like moreover similar as a GATE syllabus only. So if you are preparing for GATE, you are not only like if you secure a good rank, then you are eligible for PSU. All over the PSU have options, and also if you are like have good syllabus knowledge, then you can correct the DRDO and BARC exam. Then we have two in that options. Okay.
So one student continuously asking us a question, is there any mentor for electrical engineering student? Please. Yes, yes. We have Vipin sir. Vipin sir will also come. I think he is in class maybe. So because some mentors are taking online classes, so once they will free, I will also invite to them. No problem, guys. Yes, yes. Please, please. Yes.
Especially guys, like suppose a DA and a computer science paper is there. Is it mandatory to write 2 papers, or should I write it only 1 paper? So it is optional. The GATE has given the option, like all CSC students can write 2 papers. You can appear for DA as well as computer science. Even somebody studying the B.Tech in data science, they also can write it to computer science. You can write paper, you can write it. So suppose like some of the EC persons, mechanical students, anybody can write computer science. So DA paper also can write it. But when its difference comes in the time of admission only. Suppose you written a GATE examination computer science, so you can eligible for taking computer science as well as data science, artificial intelligence, all the courses which are available related to computer science, you can take an admission. But some limitation will be there who are written a GATE examination at data science only. Exactly, you are able to take admission into DA, data science, or artificial intelligence or machine learning only. The core branch of computer science you may not able to take, but I'm strongly recommending you, all computer science students, you must apply for computer science as well as the DA paper also, because the most of the things are common. Last year, like as you mentioned, sir, 82 marks came common, like engineering mathematics, DBMS and data structure algorithm. Only 18 marks are framed from machine learning, artificial intelligence. Suppose the upcoming year maybe ratio increase, but cannot be going to 50%. So may goes to some 75 marks is a common from CSE, 25 marks may comes from machine learning and artificial intelligence. So take the advantage of it. If you sometime, if you're not able to score well in computer science, you can able to score more score in DA. So through which it can be getting, admission. This year happened, one CSE student, our student only, our online student, in CSE he got 1100 rank, sir. In a data science paper he got 600 rank. So there are high chances he can get a data science, in some IITs. Yes. So this is, I would like to add it. Thank you, sir.
So guys, again I am coming to the topic, why an engineer should write the GATE exam. You should ask yourself why you are doing engineering. If you are clear with that, why I am doing my engineering, you will also get a strong motivation to write the GATE exam. Because from a normal engineer to a successful engineer, the difference is only for the GATE exam. Now it's time to invite our civil expert faculty, Pratik sir with us. So Pratik sir, again my question now more specific for the civil branch now. Okay. So as rightly they said that in the computer science they have a less opportunities as compared to the core branch civil mechanical. We have a more number of vacancies in the PSUs, even in the SSC JE also. So once the student prepare for the GATE, they are equally eligible to crack the SSC JE examination also. So my question to you, why an engineer must write the why is civil aspirants, especially a civil engineering student, must write the GATE exam? What are the benefits in their career after the B.Tech? Yes.
So
You can even use this
yeah.
next auto PPT also. Yes,
Okay.
if you want.
So I will just make it like this: before engineering, and then the date of GATE exam, and then after engineering. I will explain you in this three segments. First, my dear students, if you look into the syllabus of GATE exam, it aligns completely with your syllabus of the semester exams, right? So especially if you are a second year student and if you are listening to this video, please listen it carefully. Two basic subjects of strength of material and fluid mechanics are taught to you in third semester. Then, for some of the colleges, even transportation engineering is taught to you in the third semester. These three basic subjects are also the high scoring zones in GATE examination for civil engineering students. Usually, what happens is when you read for the semester exam, you just develop that much ability to answer the questions which are asked in your semester examinations, right? But when you prepare for GATE, GATE is basically graduate aptitude test in engineering. It tests how do you reason, how do you technically think to a problem statement. Means Ankur sir was discussing this in the afternoon, that what do you mean by engineering, that why anyone should do engineering. So engineering is all about problem solving. In order to solve a particular problem, you need to first understand the problem, and for understanding that problem, you need those basics of engineering. And when you prepare for GATE exam, you work on those basics that will help you in that complex problem solving. So it is my personal advice that you should first start your preparation of GATE along with the semester examination. It will definitely going to help you in the semester exam. Second, while you are in your college, you don't understand the practical application of whatever you read in the college. When you read the same thing for GATE, you actually focus on the basics, and that helps you to relate with the practical application of that concept. And when you relate with the practical application of the concept, it becomes very, very easy to understand all the tests, to understand the different scenarios that are happening around, and it helps you even to develop the skill set which will help you to get best of the jobs with best of the package for civil engineers. If I talk about the entire branch of civil engineering, it comprises of practical application oriented subjects like geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, then you have fluid mechanics, structural analysis, transportation engineering. All these subjects are taught to in the college, okay, but we are not much aware about the practical application of these colleges. All these subjects. Then what happens is when we appear in the field after placement, then actually so many problem comes up because we lag in basics. But once you start preparing for GATE examination, you start actually working on the basics, and you develop these basics to develop your problem solving skill that will help you to get best of the jobs. Second point, when you appear for the GATE examination, I tell you, for civil engineering students, highest number of posts are released by all the PSUs and the different government sector organizations. It can be a state PSU, it can be the central PSU, or it can be other government jobs offered at the state or the central level, like the jobs offered by CPWD, jobs offered by irrigation department, jobs offered by PWD, then CPWD. Highest number of jobs are offered for civil engineers. And I tell you one thing, civil engineers make life easy for everyone, right? So in order to get that problem solving, you need to understand those basics. Then only you can have that problem solving skill. So my personal suggestion to you is, if you are preparing, means if you are doing your engineering, is start preparing for GATE examination. Sir.
Yes, yes. So, dear student, again I am coming to the part. if you are writing the GATE exam, you can become more confident to crack the interviews, okay? And of course, if I talk about the basic difference after the GATE, we have some data here. This is the average package 16.3 offered by Indian Oil. We have some more data here, like here Power Grid E2. So this is the general package range, guys. And we have, I think, others also here. We have a 15.17 by Power Grid offers this package. This is also we have from GAIL. So like NPCI also we have. So my dear student, you have a multiple opportunities after the GATE, and I am telling you one thing, you will have proud on your decision that if you are taking the decision to preparing for the GATE exam after 1 year, 2 year, after 2 year, you will not have any regret, that I can make you assurance. Definitely for sure, you can make your parents proud and you will have a better future. You will become a better engineer after having a good technical skill for sure. So now it's time to invite one more civil expert mentor. So Sandeep sir with us. So I already asked this question to many mentors. They have also replied. So again, the similar type of question, but in a different way, I am asking to you that even after the B.Tech, they may get the placement in some core job also, but there is a less chance. So what is the difference between the job which they get after the B.Tech or after the GATE exam, after the M.Tech? So just tell us about that. Yes.
Okay, welcome to the IMS GATE Academy YouTube channel, my dear students. First of all, why we are writing the GATE exam? Let us discuss in 3 ways. One is once you write the GATE exam, either you can go for higher education or you can go for government jobs. So, my dear students, when I talk about government jobs, this is very important thing. The stability of the job is very important, and the amenities provided in the job is very important. And the third sector which you can concentrate is on the research and also for PhD. Now, my dear students, one should always have a great aim and one should acquire the knowledge continuously. These are the 2 things which will help you in every exam. Now, my dear students, GATE is an universal boss. Like if you see Chris Gayle, he was called as universal boss. Or if you talk about Virat Kohli, he is very good in the cover drive. Why? Because of the practice they have done. So GATE is an exam where you have to practice, and through GATE exam, as sir has asked, which job is important, whether after M.Tech the jobs will be good. Now compared to civil engineering, my dear students, if you talk about the job roles, if you completed B.Tech and you work as a civil engineer, you will be working as a site engineer. But once you have done masters in structures or transportation, you will be into the R&D department or you will be into the design department. Now, my dear students, if you talk about the public sector companies, why people should see the public sector companies? If you see GAIL or BPCL, HPCL, it is a day in, day out of your life. Everyone wants petrol, everyone wants power, everyone wants housing, everyone wants steel. So all these public sector companies are looking for the manufacturing and the production of the daily needs. And indirectly, you are responsible for the growth of the nation. And now, my dear students, coming to the civil engineering, if you are specialized in structures, what is the role? Means you can design, and if you are into transportation, you are in the design of roads. And when you are specialized in any sector, you name electrical, you name civil engineering, any branch, along with this, you have to update your skills in the software knowledge also. Now, my dear students, when I talk about M.Tech, I have seen in the comments section that, sir, I have secured 300 marks and I belong to this category and I have secured these marks. Can I attend NPCL interview? Now, definitely for these questions, it is quite simple. If you want, see, you have already passed one term that you have been selected for NPCL for interview, then definitely I would say yes. Attend the interview, have the exposure, have the experience, it will be a big learning curve. Now, my dear students, if your marks are 50, definitely you will have high chances into NIT or IIT. If your marks are above 65 plus, definitely you are the highest chances for public sector companies. And I am proudly saying, my dear students, especially civil engineering students, have the highest advantage to getting into PSUs. Because, my dear students, almost 2,000 vacancies will be published every year. So, my dear civil engineering students, or we call Royal Engineering students, you should have utilized this opportunity in a better way. Now, my dear students, when I talk about the GATE, GATE is an exam where it will test your applications. Suppose if you are in second year, third year, final year. Now, when you are realizing to start GATE preparation is an important criteria. If you are starting in second year, I would say you are the supreme. Because without wasting any of your time, in the third year and final year preparation itself, you can get into PSUs. Still, if a passed out student has now realized that I should start GATE preparation, then I will also say appreciate you and start preparing. Now, my dear students, if you have attended some interview, I will tell you, the interviewer is doing some interview for the students. Out of 100, he want to do interview for just 30 or 40 students. Let me tell you, whoever is qualified for GATE, it is an additional advantage that in core branches, especially in electrical, civil, mechanical, they will have value addition. And remember always, my dear students, everyone should believe in hard work, everyone should have a great aim, and definitely will succeed. And thank you, Ankur sir.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very rightly said that, dear student, if you have a single-minded approach for the writing GATE exam, and once you will crack the GATE exam in civil engineering, after 65 marks, there is a high chance that you will get the PSU job. And if I talk about the core branches like EE, mechanical and civil, especially we can say that from the last 1 year, you have more than 2,000 vacancies in the PSUs, and we are expecting more vacancies in the upcoming days. So once you will write the GATE exam, IITs will be open for you, NITs will be open for you, PSUs will be open for you, engineering services exam open for you, SSC JE exam open for you, and even in the worst case, the interview part also, whatever knowledge you will get after the preparing for the GATE exam, that helps you to crack the interviews for the even for the placements also. So, dear student, the GATE is a must-write exam. You should not miss this opportunity. And as Sandeep sir rightly said that you must prepare for the GATE exam even in the second year. So, you have the extra as advantage over the other students, those who have not prepared in the second year. Many students as of now, after completion BTech, they are preparing for the GATE. So, they will be having a drop of 1 year, 2 year. Yes. So, you want to add something? Yes.
One final point I would like to conclude, my dear students. See, students, you will be seeing notification from ISRO. You will be seeing a notification in BARC. Recently, we have a notification in HPCL. I had told you GATE is an universal exam. Whatever the preparation you have done in the GATE, 80% of the syllabus will be same. Apart from general English and some of the terms in general aptitude, remaining core topics will be almost same. But for these exams, you have to be speed, accurate and efficient, because if you see in GATE exam hardly 65 questions in 3 hours, so you will have 3 to 4 minutes for each question. But if for these competitive exams like SSC, JE or IES prelims, you will be having 1 minute. So how can you practice this? So my dear students, we at IMS GATE Academy are providing Test Series Plus, a premium product. Let me tell you about Test Series Plus. Along with the test series of 130, we are giving you the premium GATE question booklet which covers 33 plus years of questions with alternative solutions, key pointers. So my dear students, if you really want to access this, just get in touch with the IMS GATE Academy. Definitely it will help your all dreams come true. Thank you and all the best.
Very nice, very nice. So, dear students, I think we had already had a complete discussion about the advantage of GATE exam and why you should write the GATE exam. Now, I would like to invite our electrical mentor, expert mentors. Vipin sir, please come. So, we had already so much technical discussion. Even last we have so much energetic discussion. Now, I want to ask a simple question to you. Sir, if a student is very average student, and the question of the student is, sir, I am not capable even to crack my semester exam. How can I write GATE, sir? So, a average student, sir, मेरे से तो engineering ही नहीं हो रहा, आप GATE की बात कर रहे हो. So, what is your suggestion? GATE is really very tough, or it is just a we can say that phobia ki GATE is very hard, a normal student cannot crack. So, what is your suggestion to those? A average student can also make a rank or not? Just tell.
Thank you, sir. So student, I will ask a general question to you that if you have a chance to become a prime minister, would you like to become a chief minister? Absolutely no. Isn't it? So if some big opportunities are waiting for you, why you will go for some small opportunities? Every year there are thousands and lakhs of students graduating, isn't it? And if suppose you are sitting in any recruitment interview, or so you are going for a placement, you have to give n number of points in your support. Right now you are the part of crowd, isn't it? So right now you have to tell n number of points about you. But once you will qualify the GATE exam, how many students every year out of those many sitting into the GATE exam are qualifying GATE exam? Just 17 to 80%, 18%. So once you will qualify the GATE exam, you have added an spark in your CV. Now your CV will be speaking loudly about you, isn't it? So why to go for some 3, 4, 5 lakhs of package that you will be getting after placement from your colleges? Very nice. So once you will be preparing for GATE, so there is a famous saying, if suppose you will not get anything, you will get the expertise and experience that will help you all along your life. क्या हुआ जो कुछ नहीं होगा, अनुभव तो होगा ना, and that will help you in all along your journey. You will be very good in your subject. You got a bag in one particular subject, but once you have decided to preparing for that particular subject, you will become a master of that subject, and that knowledge will really help you in all along your life and all along your journey, all in whatever career you will be in. So qualify GATE exam, add that quality in yourself, so that you don't have to give that much evidence in support that you have quality. You have put in a lot of effort, lot of money in pursuing B.Tech, and still if you are giving some evidence in support of you that I have quality, that is not a good thing to have. So qualify GATE, add that spark, and all the options of the world related to engineering will be available to you.
Very nice.
So if one exam can open n number of paths, why don't you prepare for it? And it's an aptitude test of engineering, an aptitude that you have to build in yourself. So when you will commit that I will be preparing for the GATE exam, you will start solving questions, you will be just going through the quality content, that aptitude will definitely come into you. So in that way you can excel your career, you can excel your knowledge, and ultimately you can have an spark in your career, in your CV, by just qualifying the GATE exam. That's it,
Very
sir.
nice, very good question. So, just want to conclude, dear student, if you are writing the GATE exam, definitely there is a high chance that you will get the core job in your field and you will get the opportunity to work related to your branch. Because many students have that feeling ki sir, I completed my degree in mechanical, but I am doing software job, or I am doing this IT job, whatever. So student, at least you should have a one attempt, at least you should give one chance. Whatever engineering branch you have, you must write the GATE exam, and once you will get the knowledge in the GATE preparation journey, eventually it will helpful in the entire life. So dear student, right now if you are in second year or third year, start GATE preparation, and we can say that try to get good technical skill as much as you can get. Even in the engineering, if you are able to qualify the GATE exam, then Indian government give you the GATE scorecard, and GATE scorecard is a proof of your technical skill. After if you have the 50 marks in the GATE or 65 marks in the GATE now, no interview or no recruiter will have a doubt on your technical skill, I am telling you guys. Because if you are not deserving student, then you cannot get a good rank. You can only make a good rank if you actually have a good technical skill. So I am telling you, for an engineer, it is a matter of dignity, it is a matter of pride if you have a good GATE scorecard. Very good. Yes.
So Gaurav, you are asking which subject you should prepare for PSUs. So if you are willing to get into PSUs, the core subject, machine, power system, and power electronics and control system, okay, they should be very good. Okay. In order to score more marks in GATE exams, so how to prepare for GATE, for that we have made a couple of videos, so you can just visit our channel, and in the playlist you will find all the details. Okay. For PSU related queries, core subjects are very important.
So guys, again I want to recall that from tomorrow we are going to start A to Z series for the GATE exam, where we will cover everything about the GATE exam. What are the cutoff, what are the eligibility criteria, exam pattern, syllabus, application process, which documents you need to carry to fill the GATE form, as well as the cutoff for the IITs, NITs, PSUs without GATE, with GATE. Everything from A to Z we are going to cover in a single playlist, and the video we are going to start uploading from tomorrow onwards. Okay guys, so don't miss it. And recently we have launched the test series plus program, where you will get the or 130 plus test series, which include the chapter test, basic level subject test, advanced level subject test, multiple subject test, and full length mock test. As well as you will get the most premium product of IMS GATE Academy, that is GATE question booklet, which covers last 33 year GATE PYQs, and which have some unmatchable unique features like key pointers, chapter overview, alternate solution, and video solution with QR code. So suppose that you want to see the video, you can just need to scan the QR code and you can watch the video solution for that particular question. Dear student, we have worked hard from the last 4 to 5 years and we have made this amazing product which is available in the market now. Take the advantage and just have a look of our IMS GATE Academy GQB booklet. And once you will get it, you can also share your review. You can also share your feedback in the comment section or wherever you will get the opportunity. IMS GATE Academy always committed to provide you good technical knowledge as well as good authenticated job information related to the PSUs. And we will also try to help you to make your complete roadmap for the GATE exam. We are having some inspiration session, strategical session, some generic session, which eventually boost your GATE preparation. So dear student, thank you Vipin sir. Now it's time to invite Gopal sir. So guys, we are about to end the session in the next 2 to 3 minutes. I have already taken so much time. So Gopal sir, again the question is, I have asked to multiple mentors. Now again the question to you. According to you, you have seen many students in your teaching career from the last 18 years. So what is your suggestion? Why an engineer must write the GATE? Yes.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. The student, one small example I can give, from that you can understand clearly. One of my students 3 years before, he came and informed this story. What is happening in his life, he explained. When he was in the third year, he appeared for the GATE and he cracked and he's getting All India 13 rank, 1-3. It's a good rank. He said, I don't know anything about the GATE, sir, just I appeared, I got a good score, 13. Then after in the fourth year, what I did now, just in the campus interview, but I was selected by the Amazon company. They wanted to give the 6 lakhs package only now. And immediately I showed my GATE rank. On watching that one, those people are surprised really. What do you want to do next? I said directly, sir, I want to go for the PSU. They said, you got the 13 rank. We are ready to give the 13 lakhs. You asked them now. Really, he surprised immediately he is putting the sign, he joined in the that I'm his annual, They said because of the this rank, GATE rank only, he got that much amount of the money only now. That is why even in the private sectors, there is a benefit to the students because of cracking of the GATE only now. That's the best example only now. This is one of the student informed like that only now. By the study of B.Tech, the students can get only information. You will not get more than that now. Then why require the GATE? The students will get it out, no doubt. If you want to become a smart, you need to take the coaching for the GATE only now. If you are writing the GATE, how smartly you can tackle any question you can understand only now. If you want to get the knowledge you think it's so, then you have to go for the higher education only now. I want to settle down. After cracking the GATE, you enter into the PSU. You can settle now. That's why you can select any one of the path only now. Anyhow, the students, why they need to do the specialization means once the B.Tech is completed in the ECA branch, you think it's so. My branch is a ECA, that is why I'm informing you now. If completed B.Tech in the ECA branch, if they have done their M.Tech specialization in their core subjects, you think it's so. What advantage you think it's now? The thrilling is entirely different. Because the 4 years you are working hard, 4 years you are studying the control system, networks and analog and EDC, so many subjects now. Just leaving these subjects, if you are entering into the software sector, means all the 4 year subjects is going to become waste only now. Once you entered into the what the now specialization, you think it's so. What benefit you will get, you think it's the now. That's why I request the students the now. Once they are completing the B.Tech from their own branch, you try to write the gate and do the what no specialization. I'm sure you are going to become the what no expert in the subjects only now. That is my advice only I can say the now.
So thank you for sharing your experience. I think one of the students writing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Yes. So I think Saint Srinath has writing, sir. Good evening, Ankur sir. I have learned signal control digital from you. I got all India rank 300. Now I got seat from IIT Roorkee Power Electronics. Thank you, sir. Yes, you are most welcome, Srinath, and thank you for sharing your experience in the comment section, so that other students will also get to know what are the advantages to prepare with IMS GATE Academy. I am telling you guys, I have been teaching since 2011 for the GATE exam in 30 plus cities in the India, and I am telling you proudly that we have generated many rankers in this last 14-year journey. And here I have already invited so many of my team members. They came and they have shared their experience. So all the valuable information that they have shared, my dear student, the agenda and the objective of today's session is what? That at least a student should know what they want to become in the future. Because student, if you are just enjoying your engineering, if you are not so much serious about your future, then if you are not serious today, you have to become serious after 2 year, after 3 year. Okay, so think in this direction, that what you want to do after 3 year. Dear student, your today's effort will only decide what you will do after 3 year. Okay, so just have some aim and try to prepare for the India's best or toughest technical exam, that is GATE exam. Why I use this term toughest? Because dear student, of course, after the B.Tech, you must have a good technical knowledge to crack this GATE exam. And we are here to make this exam easy for you, because our expert mentors, those already taught the subjects multiple times, they are teaching you. So they are giving you so many hacks or so many short tricks or so many smart approach to attempt the GATE problems. In the GATE exam, again I want to add here, it is not only important how intelligent you are, it also important how much serious and how much dedicated you are towards the GATE exam. Because in the GATE exam, the one factor, that is consistency, is most important. Student, you can only make yourself consistent till the date of GATE exam if your reason to write the GATE is very much strong. So first of all, you should find some inspiration which motivates you to write the GATE exam. That motivation is not sufficient, that sir, I am preparing for the GATE because my friends are also preparing for the GATE and my seniors also prepared for the GATE. No, you should have your own inspiration that motivates you every day and that insists you every day to study hard for the GATE exam. I'm telling you guys, it is not very much we can say that tough to, or very much difficult to maintain a good rank in the GATE. The most difficult thing is to prepare for the GATE each and every day till the date of GATE exam, because so many things that will distract you. So I think now you are clear with the today's agenda, why you should write the GATE exam. Okay, so now I am coming to the point, guys, at the coming to end the session today's, and just want to inform you about the IMS features and all. If you and I'm telling you, not only the Srinath, many students right now, the IMS student right now, they are doing job in PSUs, or they are pursuing their M.Tech, MS courses from the IITs and all. So whatever is required to make a good rank, we are providing you in a most structured manner. Whether it talks about the teaching hours, we are providing you 800 plus live lecture access. We are providing you the pre-recorded foundation videos. We are also providing you 4,000 plus practice question, which includes level 1, level 2, level 3. As well as level 1, level 2, 3, we have divided on the basis of difficulty level. And you will also get the 130 plus test series, which include basic subject test, as well as advanced subject test, multiple subject test, and the full length test. We are also providing you the 12 mentorship session where you will get the opportunity to interact with mentors one-to-one, and you can ask your personal, you can have a discussion about your strength, about your weakness, about your complete strategy for the GATE exam. As well as you will also get, my dear student, that dedicated doubt solving portal. Suppose that if you have, after completion of subject, if you are doing practice for exercise book question or test series, if you stuck somewhere, then you just need to take a screenshot and you can attach in the doubt solving portal, or mentors will resolve your doubt. So we have made a dedicated doubt solving platform for you. Okay. And as I already covered, my dear student, we have mentioned a Telegram group link also in the description. If you have not joined Telegram group, you can join after, just click on the link which is mentioned in description. And again, student, if you want to connect with our student advisory team, we have also given one free, you can attend a free counseling session, and the link of free counseling is also mentioned in description. Okay. So dear student, do not overthink about it. Just have a one mindset. I am giving you a promise. You will never have regret on your decision. If today you are taking a decision to prepare for the GATE exam, in future you will have proud on your decision, and you will have many more opportunities, and even the things that is not in your mind today, you will have after 1 year. Okay guys. So again, I am telling you, today you don't have that much skill to crack the GATE exam, but once you will join the IIMS GATE Academy, you will feel in the next 3 month, 5 month confidence on subject, and eventually you will have that feeling, yes, I can make the rank. You can deserve a rank, definitely, if you are taking a good decision today. Okay guys. So chaliye, bye bye, take care guys. That's all from today's session, and stay connected with your IIMS GATE Academy YouTube channel for more videos related to the engineering field, related to the GATE exam, related to SSC JEE, or related to the engineering students. Okay guys, bye bye, take care guys. That's all from today's session. Thank you to watch the session.